Dear viewers, listeners, and readers. Assalamu alaikum. The employees of public and private sectors often fall in confusion how to know about the laws, rules, and regulations governing their respective service. In such condition they remain unaware of their duties and rights. Consequently, they fall prey to confusion and feel handicapped to ensure service delivery as required. Sometimes they lose their jobs. Departments/organizations also suffer. In order to sensitize the employees, this lecture series has been prepared. It is also aimed at creating awareness about various laws, rules, and regulations and aspects of public administration. The content of the lecture shall not be quoted in any kind of legal matter or reproduce in making legal claim, etc. I hope that the series will help the employees to know various laws/rules, understand different dynamics/aspects of their respective employment, and get them prepared for discharging their duties and responsibilities with peace of mind and up to the optimum level with efficiency and dedication in the public interest. The lecture series. Today lecture number 16 of the series is presented to honorable viewers, listeners, and readers. Topic of the lecture is Election Commission of Pakistan. In a democratic country, election is held periodically. The constitution of the state provides term for holding general elections. It also provides either parliamentary form of government or presidential form of government will govern the state. The difference between two systems of government is that in the parliamentary form of government, political party winning majority seats of a parliament form a government headed by the prime minister who becomes chief executive of the state. In presidential form of government, a president is chief executive of a state who is directly or indirectly elected by the people. In the United States there is presidential form of government, whereas Pakistan has parliamentary form of government. In its history of 72 years, Pakistan has experienced parliamentary form of government and presidential form of government. In each system of government, general elections were held in accordance with the provisions of the constitution enforced at that time. Current Constitution of Pakistan was enforced on August 14, 1974. Articles 213 to 221 of the Constitution deal with various matters relating to the election. Article 213, 1, provides, there shall be a chief election commissioner, in this part referred to as the commissioner, who shall be appointed by the president. Article 213, 2, of the Constitution speaks about the criteria of appointment of chief election commissioner. According to the said article, no person shall be appointed commissioner unless he has been a judge of the Supreme Court or has been a senior civil servant or is a technocrat and is not more than 68 years of age. Article 213, 2a, provides, the Prime Minister shall in consultation with the Leader of the Opposition in the National Assembly, forward 3 names for appointment of the Commissioner to a Parliamentary Committee for hearing and confirmation of any one person. Provided that in case there is no consensus between the Prime Minister and the Leader of the Opposition, each shall forward separate lists to the Parliamentary Committee for consideration which may confirm any one name. Article 213, 2b, provides, the Parliamentary Committee to be constituted by the Speaker shall comprise 50% members from the Treasury branches and 50% from the opposition parties, based on their strength in Majlis-e-Shura, Parliament, to be nominated by the respective parliamentary leaders. Provided that the total strength of the Parliamentary Committee shall be 12 members, out of which 1/3 shall be from the Senate. Provided further that when the National Assembly is dissolved and a vacancy occurs in the office of the Chief Election Commissioner, the total membership of the Parliamentary Committee shall consist of the members from the Senate only, and the foregoing provisions of this clause shall, mutatis mutandis, apply. Article 218, 1, provides for the constitution of Election Commission. According to it, for the purpose of election to both houses of Majlis-e-Shura, Parliament, provincial assemblies, and for election to such other public offices as may be specified by law, a permanent election commission shall be constituted in accordance with this article. Various laws have also been passed which provide functions of Election Commission of Pakistan, holding of general elections and other elections, and assistance of civil administration to the Commission for holding elections, etc. Section 3 of Elections Act 2017 provides procedure of the Commission. It says, 1. In the performance of its functions and duties and exercise of its powers, the Commission shall regulate its own procedure. 2. The Commission may exercise its powers and perform its functions even if the office of any member of the Commission is vacant or any of the members is, for any reason, unable to attend the proceedings of the Commission, and the decision of the majority of the members shall have the effect of the decision of the Commission. 3. If, upon any matter requiring a decision of the Commission, there is difference of opinion amongst its members, the opinion of the majority shall prevail and the decision of the Commission shall be expressed in terms of the opinion of the majority, provided that, a. Where the members attending the proceedings of the Commission are 4 and they are equally divided in their opinion, or, b. Where the members attending the proceedings of the Commission are 3 and there is difference of opinion amongst them, the matter shall be placed for decision before the full Commission, comprising all its members. Section 5 of the Act empowers the Commission to seek assistance for holding the elections. It provides, 1. The Commissioner or the Commission may require any person or authority to perform such functions or render such assistance for the purposes of this Act as he or it may direct. 2. It shall be the duty of all executive authorities in the Federation and in the provinces to render such assistance to the Commissioner and the Commission in the discharge of his or its functions as may be required by the Commissioner or the Commission. 3. The federal government and each provincial government shall make available to the Commission such staff as it may require for the performance of its functions under this Act, provided that where the Commission decides to utilize the services of serving judicial officers, it may do so in consultation with the Chief Justice of the High Court concerned. 4. After the election program has been issued until the publication of the names of the returned candidates in the official gazette, any government or authority shall not post or transfer any official appointed or deputed in connection with an election without prior approval in writing of the Commission, including posting or transfer the decision in respect whereof has not been implemented, and the Commission may itself issue necessary directions to any such government or authority for the posting or transfer of any official. Following are the other laws relating to elections in Pakistan. 1. Election Laws 2002. 2. Election Laws, Volume 1. 3. Election Laws, Volume 2. 4. The Elections Rules 2017. 5. Code of General Elections. 6. Electoral Laws and System. A person, who is a citizen of Pakistan, is not less than 18 years of age on the first day of January of the year in which the rolls are prepared or revised, is not declared by a competent court to be of unsound mind and is or is deemed to be a resident of an electoral area, can get himself enrolled as a voter in that electoral area. Only citizens registered on the electoral rolls are eligible to cast their votes. The Secretariat of Election Commission of Pakistan is located in Islamabad. The Commission has 4 offices in the Punjab, Sindh, the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan. It has also regional offices and district offices. For any complaint and suggestion, Election Commission of Pakistan may be contacted at info@ecp.gov.pk. For preparing this lecture, website of Election Commission of Pakistan has been referred, https://ecp.gov.pk/default.aspx. This lecture has been prepared for creating awareness of the Election Commission of Pakistan. Attempt has been made to present information as per the relevant legal documents and the website of ECP. However, regarding elections, relevant laws must also be referred by readers and complainant, etc. This lecture shall not be quoted for making claim or supporting contention for any purpose.